Welcome to our miter full drawer box tutorial. In this video, we are measuring for a new undermount drawer box for a frameless cabinet. With your measuring tape, measure the width of your cabinet opening. Your formula is opening width minus 5/8 of an inch. In this example, that is 22.5 inches minus 0.625 inches. Now, we measure for the height. Your box height is determined by the opening height minimum. In this example, we have a 10-inch opening height. This opening would allow for a 7-inch drawer box height. Please note, for a 4-inch drawer box, you need a 4 3/4 inch minimum opening height, and for a 7-inch drawer box, you need 7 3/4 inch minimum opening height. And your cabinet box depth must be at least 21 15/16 of an inch. For this cabinet, you will order one drawer box that is 21.875 inches wide by 7 inches high by 21 inches deep.